I can still remember how it started. It was completely unexpected. One ordinary day, sumakay lang ako sa jeep. Pag-uwi ko, may love life na ako.
Oh. 4 years ago, right on this very spot, naalala mo yan, we stood here and said, ang gandang ikasal dito. We were just dreaming, then unaware, unknowing, but somehow the universe heard us. And now we're here.
You never judge me. Di mo ako iniwan. Ikaw yung naging kakampi at sandalan ko sa mga oras na hindi ko kilala kung sino ako. Ikaw din yung nagturo sa akin kung paano maging isang mabuting tao. Alam ko, hindi kayo masyadong maniniwala. Pero itong kaibigan nyo, kapatid at anak, at magiging asawa ko, ay napakabuting tao.
Ma, thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng pag-aaral ka. Sobrang swerte ko kasi ikaw yung naging nanay ko. Mahal na mahal kita, ma.
Ang pagsasama ng mag-asawa ay hindi gawang biro na pagka ikaw ay napasok, iluluwa mo.
Salamat kasi dumating ka sa oras na kailangan kita. I promise to always laugh at your jokes. Even the ones that are funny. Because your laughter is music to my ears. And your smile is my favorite sight.
Today, I marry you not just as the love of my life, but as my destiny, my home, my miracle, and for the rest of my days, I will choose you over and over with no hesitation, no doubt, and no end.
I vow to be your partner in all things. I will laugh with you, cry with you, and grow with you. I promise to always listen to your rants, even if I've already heard them 3 times that day.
Finding our way here wasn't always easy, but it was always sweet. I love you, babe.
Mabait, maasikaso, sobrang sipag. Halos hindi na siya natutulog. But still, naaasikaso niya pa din ako.
Siya yung pangarap ko. Siya yung buhay ko ngayon. Siya yung naging sandalan ko sa lahat ng problema.
Thank you sa wonderful gift. Nakadikit ka na lagi sa ano ko.
Labis, akong nasasabik na makapiling ka na.
Thank you. Huwag ka mag-alala. Suot ko na ngayon.